Hanap mo ba ay mura pero katakam-takam na ulam? Today magluluto tayo ng adobong talong, a simple yet flavorful eggplant stir-fry packed with umami goodness. Mag-init ng oil sa isang wide pan at ilagay ang hiniwang talong in a single layer. Fry them with the skin side down first para hindi mag-soak up ng sobrang oil. Then turn para i-brown ang other side. Alisin sa pan and keep warm. In the same pan, ilagay ang ground pork at lutuin until the color changes. If the meat is very lean, pwede ka mag-add ng konting oil. Add ang chopped na sibuyas at igisa until softened. Isunod ang garlic at continue lang ang paggisa until fragrant na ang mga aromatics at ang pork is lightly browned. Ibuhos ang vinegar at hayaang kumulo ng walang takip and without stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes para mag-mellow ang asim. Ilagay ang soy sauce, tubig at oyster sauce. Pwede ka maglagay ng ilang perasong sili para may konting sipang anghang. Timplahan ng pepper and salt ayon sa panlasa. Haluin to distribute at bring to a boil. Lower the heat, takpan, and simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes or hanggang malambot na ang pork and the liquid is mostly absorbed. Ibalik ang fried talong sa pan and toss gently to coat with the adobo mixture. Top with chopped green onions and crispy fried garlic bits kung gusto. This eggplant and ground pork stir-fry with rich adobo flavors ay masarap with steamed rice and perfect for any mealtime. If you like the recipe, feel free to share and follow Kawaling Pinoy for more. Enjoy!